Hi children, good morning. Today I am going to teach you the addition facts and the subtraction facts. In this addition fact, we are going to add horizontally. You know that the sum of 3 and 6 is 9, and if we add 6 to 3, we again get the sum of 9. Whether you have 6 plus 3 or 3 plus 6, the sum will always be the same. This is known as addition fact. Let me tell you about subtraction fact. We have 9 squares. Out of these, if 3 squares are colored, how many white squares are left? Thus, we have 9 minus 3, which is equal to 6, and 9 minus 6, which is equal to 3. Now, remember the addition fact. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Well, for every addition fact, there is a corresponding subtraction fact too. This shows that the numbers can be interchanged in addition. Let's take an example. Addition gives sum or total. This is more than any of the given two numbers. First example, three numbers are given: 30, 70 and 40. 70 is more than the other two numbers, that is 30 and 40. So, if we add these two numbers, we will get the sum as 70. That is 30 plus 40 is equal to 70. Now, we can interchange the numbers as 40 plus 30. The sum of 40 and 30 is also 70. Now, the addition facts are 30 plus 40 is equal to 70, and 40 plus 30 is equal to 70. Shall we write subtraction fact? Yes, we can subtract the smallest number from the greatest number. Here, which is the smallest number?
30.
Yes, 30. Which is the greatest number?
70.
Yes, it is 70. Subtract 30 from 70. The answer is 40. So, we can write the subtraction fact as 70 minus 30 is equal to 40. The next subtraction fact is 70 minus 40 is equal to 30.